Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Force. So today we'll be taking a look at the Netgear Nighthawk X4S tri-band Wi-Fi mesh extender. Now, this Wi-Fi extender costs about 100 quid, but does it actually significantly improve the Wi-Fi range? Well, let's find out. Okay, so first things first, what do we get inside the box? So we don't get a whole load of things. In fact, all we get is the Wi-Fi extender itself and a manual. This isn't too bad because, well, this product doesn't have too much of a setup process. So once it's been connected to your home Wi-Fi, there isn't really anything you need to do. Now, in terms of the setup process, the manual is meant to provide all of the details to help you set up. It suggests two ways, through your smartphone with the installation assistant, or with the WPS button on the extender and your router. I chose to use the smartphone installation assistant as this seemed more straightforward. However, I did struggle with understanding everything on the manual, and I did have to watch a quick YouTube video to help me figure it out. But luckily there were quite a few useful tutorials, so it wasn't too difficult in the end. So in order to set up the Wi-Fi extender, you simply have to plug it in and connect to the Wi-Fi network called Netgear_EXT on your smartphone. You then have to visit the URL mywifi.ext.net, and there'll be some steps for you to follow to set up the extender and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Now, through this process, the Wi-Fi extender is also able to inform you on various settings which can be implicated to improve your home Wi-Fi connection and speeds, which did seem to have some benefits. So overall, in terms of the performance, I definitely think that this Wi-Fi extender has a huge benefit when boosting the range of your Wi-Fi signal. But that isn't the only thing I think is great about this product. Let's talk about the design. So in terms of the design, I think the nice matte white design helps it to blend in more with all of the surroundings of the house. And the cool mesh design at the bottom gives it a more modern type of look. Then as well as this, in terms of the functionality, there are an array of lights at the top which help give you various information about the connection status of the extender. There's a light to show whether the extender has power, a light to show whether it's been connected to the router, a light to show if it has a 2.4 GHz connection, and then another light to show if it has a 5 GHz connection. So if you wanted to quickly check the status of the extender, these lights have been nicely placed to allow you to see all the information that you want. Now, overall, would I say this extender is worth buying? Well, taking a look at all of the other extenders out there, there are some very good ones for much cheaper. But then again, those don't quite have the range that this extender does. So when making a decision as to which Wi-Fi extender you should purchase, it's very important to understand the area you need to cover and which extender would apply to that amount of area. So to put this into perspective, this Wi-Fi extender I have here will also get you coverage around most of your garden when placed near the back of your house, which is very incredible, and well, not many extenders are actually capable of doing that. So if you're looking for a quality Wi-Fi extender, why not go take a look at this one by clicking on the link in the description below. And whilst you're there, remember to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.